So I'm not a big fan of cutting trees down, but in my case, this tree right here was going to be really close to one of the foundation piers, and I don't want any issues with roots getting under the foundation and eventually lifting it up. So unfortunately, my only option was to cut that tree down, and now I'm just chopping it up, and yeah, so that I can move it somewhere else, because I need this site completely cleared so I can keep going. Almost done. This thing is almost bigger than me. Look at that. It's gonna be a big fire when it's all dry and I set it off. This is hot. I'm sweating bullets with that fire. So anyway, this part here is exactly where the cabin is going to go. The camera is actually back to the edge of almost to the edge of the land. And so I don't know if you can tell, but there's like foam stake in the ground that pretty much just show the outline of the cabin. I obviously have to go back and do a much better job because I need to show exactly where each foundation pier is going to be located. For now, I'm still cleaning out the land, running that fire, and I have a lot of wood here that's just stacked up that I'm gonna have to move somewhere else because I really want to clear this whole area. So I'm still working on clearing up the land. As you can see, I actually ended up taking another tree down right here. So yeah, I took it down this morning because I'm kind of debating about modifying exactly the outline of the cabin. And so actually my next project is going to be to clear all this wood here and move it back there. Potentially I'm going to move the cabin, thinking about moving it back here. So that's why I cut those trees so they're not in the way anymore. But so I need all this big pile of old wood gone. And I gotta be careful because hopefully there's not a bunch of snakes living in there. So I'm gonna be really careful pulling it with like a rake because I don't want to like actually pull it up, because next thing you know I just put my hand on a rattlesnake, and that would not be good for anybody. So that's it, we're done here. I finally cleaned all this up. Now you can tell it's just perfect, there's nothing on it. I just rake everything out. I have my wood there, and so really my next step is, as I was mentioning, I'm thinking about moving the cabin maybe 2 feet up this way because I might be too close to the septic system on this way, on this side over there at that corner. So that's kind of the next step. It's going to be to stake everything properly, and that I make sure that I follow all the setbacks and everything based on the septic permit and all the rules that I have to follow. In the next episode, I will be staking the foundation piers of the cabin, and I will make sure to walk you through it step by step. So please make sure to click the link and go take a look at that next episode. Alright, I'll see you next time.